the Explorer, Boots' birthday surprise. One day, Dora planned a party for Boots. She and her friends were all in cahoots. Dora had saved up every last penny to buy goodie bags with Chico and Benny. They started for home, pulling their wagon. Backpack held a piñata, a colorful dragon. They still had to decorate Dora's backyard, wrap all their presents, and sign Boots' card. They rushed back home as fast as they could. Someone was watching and up to no good. There were 10 goodie bags all in a line, but Swiper swooped in, and then there were 9 goodie bags outside the gate, but Swiper swiped one, and then there were 8. There were 8 goodie bags when a race car revving were past the group, and then there were 7. There were 7 bags on the bridge made of bricks. Swiper sailed up, and then there were 6. There were 6 bags as they passed a beehive, but Swiper buzzed by, and then there were 5. There were 5 goodie bags left from the store, but Swiper popped up, and then there were 4. There were 4 bags underneath a tall tree. Who grabbed one? You guessed it. Then there were 3 goodie bags, 2 red and 1 blue. The sunflowers parted, and then there were 2. There were 2 goodie bags out in the sun. An airplane flew by, and then there was 1. There was 1 bag left when the cake was all done, until Swiper sneaked by, and then there was none. Then Boots arrived, and his friends yelled, "Surprise!" But Dora just couldn't believe her own eyes. "The goodie bags are gone. Where did they go?" Swiper hid them. "But where? Look. Do you know?" "You did it! You found them! You found all 10! On with the party!" yelled Dora. But then sneaky Swiper came back. He wasn't done yet. There was one more thing that he wanted to get. As he reached for the cake with bright yellow piping, what did everyone yell? "Swiper, no swiping!"
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.